Hey guys, welcome back to the DelftStack. This is how do get messenger notes on a phone. So to do this is first thing is you could just simply go ahead and go to your Google Play Store into your device and make sure guys that you are running the latest version of the Messenger, and of course just simply search for the Messenger app, and when there is any update you should be able to see here update instead of open, and to make sure select the three dots and make sure to enable the auto update. Now just simply open the app. Now, over here, as you can see at the top left, you should be able to see drop a thought on your story tab. So tap on drop a thought, and from here, guys, you should be able to get the messenger notes on the phone. So, guys, your friends can see your notes in Messenger and Facebook for 24 hours. So let's go for subscribe, Delve Stack. And now you can add a music over here, which you could use the search bar and go for a specific music. You could provide an emoji, a GIF. So pretty much you could do anything over here. And down below, you could also select change, and as you can see, you could customize who can see your note, and you could have an option how many hours will the notes be down below or the duration. And once you are done, select share at the top right corner, and you should be able to have the notes. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.